Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the beehive stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the double crochet stitch, and the front post double crochet stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning making chains, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 2 plus 1. I have already made 23 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 double crochet into the 4th chain from your hook. You'll then make 1 double crochet into each chain across. So that's 1 double crochet into the 4th chain from your hook, and then 1 double crochet into each chain across for row 1. To start row 2, make 3 chains. These 3 chains will count as a double crochet stitch. For this row, we're going to be alternating between making a double crochet stitch and a front post double crochet stitch into each stitch across. So since these chains count as a double crochet, you're going to skip the first stitch. So around this next one, you're going to be making a front post double crochet. Then into the next stitch, a regular double crochet. Around the next one, a front post double crochet. In the next one, a regular double crochet. Around the next one, a front post double crochet. So you can see how things are looking. You're now going to make 1 double crochet into the next stitch and then 1 front post double crochet into the next stitch until you reach the end of this row. When you reach the end of your row, you're only going to have some chains left. Into the top of those chains, make 1 double crochet to complete this row. And that's how row 2 is looking. You would now repeat row 2 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the beehive stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at Crochet Me Lovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.